everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a bunny planter. I saw this idea on Pinterest by a blogger called Average But Inspired. You're going to need one of these little plant holders from Dollar Tree, a succulent of your choice, some black paint and pink paint. You'll need some white and pink felt, and I already pre-cut these into bunny ears. So I just cut two bigger ones for the outsides and littler ones for the inside. You'll need a block of foam and some mosses of your choice. I used a little bit of regular moss and Spanish moss. So the first thing you'll do is glue your little centers to your bunny ears. At least that's what I have to do. You'll have to cut out, your own bunny ears. Or you can buy one of the headbands from Dollar Tree that are bunny ears, and you can use those. Just cut them off and glue them on. That way there you don't have to even make the bunny ears. So we're going to set those aside. Then I cut my floral foam to size to fit inside, and then I just hot glued the bottom, and I just stuck that inside. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of the pink paint, and I'm going to do like a little triangle in the center with the pink paint. It's going to make a little bunny nose. Next, I'm going to take a thin liner brush. I'm going to put it in the black paint, and I'm going to draw bunny whiskers. And I just did 3 on each side. Once that's all finished, I'm just going to take some hot glue and run it along the bottom of my bunny ear, and I'm just going to glue it to the inside rim of this little pot. Now, everything that I got except for the paint and the felt I got from Dollar Tree. So I glued his little ears on. Then I put some glue on top of the floral foam, and I just stuck my Spanish moss on there. And then I stuck a little bit of the green moss. You can choose whichever. You can mix them like I did. It's totally up to you. You really can't see this very well once you put the succulent into the pot. After I was finished doing that, I made sure my succulent was cut down because the stem was quite long. And then I just stuck it right in the floral foam. And that's it. This turned out so cute. I loved it on her blog, so I definitely had to make one for my tiered tray. And it is just so adorable and so easy to make. And you can get everything at the Dollar Tree. It's amazing. How cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to spread the chaos, and I hope this inspires you guys to make one.